In this video, I'll show you how to make AI videos with Claude AI step by step. This is a simple way to generate video ideas, scripts, and content using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help create a video. For example, I might type, "Create a script for a YouTube video about productivity tips." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a video script, including an introduction, main points, and a conclusion. If I want more detailed content, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the video topic, style, or target audience. For example, I might type, "Create a short YouTube script for beginners about time management." Claude can also help brainstorm video ideas, titles, and outlines. Once the script is ready, I can use it to record my video or generate visuals using video editing or AI video tools. Finally, I can copy or download the content and use it to produce my AI video. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to create content for an AI video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.